In this video, I'll be using Sugru glue to mount a GoPro mount on the Canam. This is the mount I'm going to put on there. I cleaned off the 3M tape. I got moldable glue, or what's called Sugru Black. And to mount a GoPro mount, it shouldn't take more than 1 pack of Sugru glue. Hope I'm saying that right. I've used this stuff in the past. Stuff's amazing. Now we're just gonna mold this, or I don't know, mix it up. Mix it up really good. I think that's good enough. I'm going to use isopropyl alcohol to clean up the mating surface. Make sure there's nothing on there. Let that dry. I'm going to mount the GoPro to the windshield right here in this area. The alcohol is great for cleaning stuff like this. It'll get grease and wax and, you know, anything that'll prevent it from adhering to the plastics. All right. Now I'll just take the Sugru glue, place it on this, somewhat centered. And I'm going to press this in the spot that I want it. And we're going to push down on it until it penetrates a bit of the edges. Okay, and I think that's good. Okay. I'm just going to scrape off the excess. And with the paper towel, I'm wiping down the excess film that's left over around the mount. And that's it. Now, and that's it. We let that dry for 24 hours and it'll be ready to be used. Reason I use Sugru glue. I had a camera fall off the bike one time because of those 3M double stick tape. Since I've been using the Sugru glue, I've never had an issue with these mounts. Take care. God bless. See you on the next one. Oh, and ride safe.